So, good morning, children of class 5. Today we are going to start our moral science. So, the first chapter is a poem, and the name of the poem is A Prayer. Prayer means, we used to do every day in the morning assembly. That is the prayer. यानी कि हिंदी में प्रार्थना. तो ये प्रेयर किस तरह का है कि गॉड के बारे में, गॉड हमें क्या देते हैं, कैसे लेते हैं, गॉड को हम क्या करना चाहिए, गॉड के साथ हमें कैसा व्यवहार करना है, गॉड को कैसा मानना है. तो गॉड हमें क्या देते हैं, कैसे हमको जो है, ही इज़ टू हेल्प अस, ही इज़ टू ब्लेस अस. तो नाउ द पोएम स्टार्ट्स. God of love, watch over us, make us pure and kind in yours. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love. To God, that means He used to give us the love every time. Make us pure and kind in yours. So, He used to make us pure. So, and kind and give, and He used to show kindness to us. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love. And He used to do the little deeds of kindness. Then again make this earth a garden. And with all this kindness, He used to make the earth a garden. Garden means in a garden there are different types of flowers. In a flower garden, in a fruit garden there are different types of fruits found, but they are all in an area, in an area. So we used to live on earth. So on earth there are many kinds of people, many kinds of things, many plants, animals, everything. So all these are blessed by our God, and He makes the earth a garden, just like a garden. And in a garden there is a garden server. He is to see the garden, every plant. And in this way, God also looks after us, every one of us. And with little words of love. ऐसा नहीं कि गुस्सा से बोला हुआ या कुछ, वो अपने प्यार से सबको बराबर के हिसाब से देखते थे. लाइक द ब्लू हेवन अबव. और हेवन जो अबव में है, ब्लू, वो सबके लिए बराबर है. कोई वो नीचे जो धरती पर इंसान लोग हैं, वो कोई छोटा कोई बड़ा वगैरह नहीं. इन आसमान जो है सबके लिए बराबर. नीचे से ऊपर झांको तो सबको बराबर दिखाई देगा, चाहे दुनिया का कोई भी कोना में हो. So, like the blue heaven above, each of us a part of God, and in this way, each of us on earth is a part of God. God blessed us, God gives us everything, and we are the part of God. We are precious in His sight. हम सब जो है उनके नज़रों में, हम बहुत ही कीमती है. वी आर वेरी मच precious in His sight. God offers you a new day, and every day when sun shines, we used to get a new day. So it is also given by the God. So with His never-ending blessings, and He is to bless all the people on earth, all the animals on earth, on plants on earth, He is to bless. And by His blessings, we are just living. So, amidst your numberless stars, again you see above the sky, on the blue sky, there are many stars which are just twinkling. But whenever we used to see from the earth the stars, they are twinkling just like that. We have to also twinkle. That means we have to shine in our life like stars. Let me place my own little one. So In this poem, the poet says that he wants to be a star among that many stars. So, like the poet, we also have to think that we must be a part of stars on the sky. God give the strength to our little heart. तो इन आवर लिटिल, हमारे जो छोटा सा दिल है, उस दिल के अंदर जो है हमें शक्ति पैदा करना है, शक्ति को अपनाना है. Give the strength to our little heart. So God give, and that strength, doing everything, that the strength is given by that the same God. And this is the end of this poem. So children, so poem ends up to this.